27th of April today, out and about. I'm going to track across a few of these fields. There may be update a few nests as well. Actually there may be more checks today than perhaps new finds, but we'll see. Chiffchaffs number 9 chiffchaff nests. Reservations on 2. I've mentally numbered them, but I'll probably describe a few things when I'm at the nests really. Yeah, we'll do some hard yards today and get around and see what's what. And in there you can see is the start of something new, I would say. I've heard nothing but the willow warbler here today, which you can hear there in the background. So as you see if I can right there, start of something new there. Maybe get out here. This was chiffchaff number 3, but as you can see in there, there's been no development. It's changed course here. Last time I was here, I nearly wrote that one off, but I held on to it because I knew the chiffchaff was in the area. It's nothing but willow warbler today. I knew the chiffchaff was in the area. I knew it had dropped into a little bit of gorse in behind, so I still thought perhaps it might be still going, but it was found at a similar time. It's a very similar nest to number 7 actually. But the progression on that, just last time I seen that, it was all feathered up. Number 7 was pretty much ready to go, and this one, as you can see, that now isn't happening. So I can pretty much write that off there now, and that's written off. Right, but get out. It's chiffchaff number 1. First chiffchaff I found. Haven't been back for a little while, but that is full of eggs. There's a good 7 in there. Yeah, 7. I can't see past. Further in. Getting any shot of that. Oh, there. You can see it there maybe. Yeah, see them there. Right, we'll get out of here. Yeah, it's a chiffy, that definitely nailed on. Get out. What a beauty it is, man. Look at that. It's a little stunner. Right, we'll get out of here. Golf ball of today. Pro Staff 1, Wilson. Hey. Cognac Hennessy. Okay. Aye. Right, out. This song thrush is still going strong. Found this one built up, all built up, ready to go. Just nestled in there. No sitting bird yet. Not a bad feeling when I looked underneath and seeing the tail of the bird. But right, going strong. Good stuff. We'll get out. That one in there is number 7, feathered up, all built. I'm surprised that I haven't got any eggs in there. I thought there might have been a couple of eggs in there. I've heard no chiffchaff around here. actually, but aye, that's number 7. Almost like very wren-like there, chiffy, but no eggs as such. Nah, right, we'll get out. Just a quick check on this linnet that I had found very early stages of development. Only linnet I've got actually. What you can see in there, it's got its 3 eggs in there. No bird yet. So, hey, that little beauty nest. Great stuff. Get out there now. Well, not that I'll have to push into this hawthorn to get over the top of that blackbird. Found this a good while ago. The nest was ready to go. It was quite a nice nest actually. Had no cover. I remember saying that at the time, and you can see how it's just been hacked at. I don't know if I got a clutch in or what, but hi. Probably didn't last 2 minutes once the eggs went in. Right, we'll get out. This one was blackbird with that hole, which was when it was originally being built up. As you can see there, she was on a clutch of 3. But that one's gone, that one's been took. Might have had young by now, but they would have just been a couple of days old max. But now that's gone, predated, quite low in the holly, which is a shame. We'll get out. It's just a little fledgling blackbird there. Out of what nest? I don't know. Just perched. I will get out of here. The mother will return and hopefully get her fed, he or she fed. Aye, little beauty. Great, get out. There, pheasant is off its clutch there. What 14 eggs in there. Seen it the other day, pinned on. I had a peek round today and it's off. Eh? 14. Right, we'll get out of here. Just in there you can see I've lost Chiffchaff 8. Number 8 is gone. It was the one that is brambles, didn't have a lot of cover. Aye. Someone's getting something that's getting into that. Aye. I think I see not a lot of cover. We'll get out. This is Chiffchaff number 9. And she's doing well, brilliant. I think it's had 2 eggs when it found this. It looks like about 5 in there now. 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. Yeah, right, we'll get out of here. That's number 9, which wasn't far away from 8. 8 and 9 found quite close. Had a bit more cover this one, it's doing brilliantly. Right, we'll get out of here. Just very quickly a quick look in at the young chaffinch. This is quite low, this chaffinch, and looks like all the chicks have hatched in there. The female is up and it's come back in as soon as I was setting this camera up. So these chicks need feeding. Can't really see how many's in there. A few days old these. Yeah, we'll get out. Look at that delicate nest. It's just amazing. Right, we'll get out of here. Well, with these blackbird nests, I'll do a quick look on the floor first. Before I've even put the camera across the top. Hey, devastation. Oh. Hammered. Yeah, it was a beauty nest that, built ready to go last time I was in this area, but as you can see they're gone. Right, we'll get out. There's a beautiful new linnet, Butcher 4 at the moment, and it's a rife here. Beautiful nest. That's the horrible bug climbed on. I know bird. So, but the rife here. It's great stuff. We'll get out of here. Great. Just through there. It took us a while to get it. It's a common whitethroat. I was just sitting across the top, and I heard them when I'd come into the area. And the little whitethroat had came in, and I seen it had the fine grass in its beak. I watched it drop in behind this area, and there was a little bit more bramble, but this is just a small bit of gorse. There's a little bit of bramble mixed in. It's collecting them fine materials. We're getting out because I did a loop. I'd seen a linnet drop. Couldn't find this the first time, and I did a loop round to see if I could hear them in the area. I did, and I got a superb sitting position, and they're being arrowing in to here. But I was in the complete wrong bit the first time. Great, get out. That's the little area there for the common whitethroat nest, just being built up now. Aye. It conned me that. This is chiffchaff number 4, and you can see, look at that. How it's all built up there now. Had a lot of work to do when I found this. Taking it, throwing, which took us a little bit of fine. It's got 2 eggs in there. Yeah. I don't know if that's blurring it. But what a stunning little nest. That is. Look at that. I'm going to get out of here. Good stuff. Chiffy number 5 has been lost, as you can see there. Gutted. This I left last Saturday. It's Monday today, so last Saturday I had 2 in there, but as you can see, lost that one. Didn't have a lot of cover, this one actually. Flew down on bramble, as you can see there. just right out. There's a little marvel, a little blackcap. See how it's suspended? It's got the two poles there. You can see all the suspension on that side, the far side, and then a little bit on the near side with the moss on both sides. And it's the blackcap. It's got 2 eggs in it at the minute. Low down in this gorse. What a little stunner. Look how that's cradled there. Magnificent. And there's a little stunner. A little bit of support at the bottom. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Get out. Just looking in here, this could well be the first beginnings of a common white throat here. And see that across the back. It's nowhere as advanced as the other one, but I think that is, you know, a little skeletal structure there. Common white throat, I've heard them. So maybe, yeah, we'll check that again. Good. Chiefchaff 6. This is the one where I've got a little bit of confusion. I looked at the nest and I've looked at it back. I did see at the time that when I come into the area, it was a chiefchaff I heard. Now, you can hear a willow warbler just at the front, just across the top of the long-tailed titnest. And the chiffy's just being in the back. See, that's the willow warbler there. And the chiefchaff is over my right shoulder at the back. It's willow warbler. Anyways, this nest last time was built and ready to go, so I expect this to have, going off number 4, I expect this one to have a good clutch in there. Willow warbler's more vocal today. Yeah, but we'll have a little look at the nest and the eggs, and we'll see if I can zoom in on any eggs that are in there, providing the birds are on, of course, which it could be. And we'll see if I can confirm it, because you see there's a chiffy away in the back. Aye, right. Chiefchaff or willow warbler, we'll see. Chiefchaff 6. So, no bird. Let's see. It's a stunner. Aye, chiffy. I think I can hear it coming back as well. Aye, chiffy eggs. There's a 5 or 6. Right, we get out. It looks like a grated in that nesting cavity. I'm not sure what that's picking up. That's blurring it. Right, we're going to get out. Aye, good. Good.